Recently ranking second on CNN's list of the world's strangest lakes, we decided to take a journey to Red Lotus Lake to see just what makes this lake so strange. It turned out to be very different from what we expected, so please join us on this journey through this mysterious lake. I had expected that we'd only be able to stand on the shore and admire the flowers from a distance, but when we arrived, I saw that the lakefront was lined with boats, which can be rented with a driver to actually take you out on a cruise around the lake. So we climbed in our boat and set sail to take a journey out into Red Lotus Lake. Take a look at this building under construction on the left, because this is going to help give us some perspective later on when we get out into the lake. We came around the bend and finally entered the lotus area of the lake. The sun was shining from across the lake, so at first the lotuses appeared dark and the shore didn't seem very far away. But as we continued to head out, the flowers began to shine, opening into a pink horizon. The formal name of the lake is Nong Han Kawampi, which is a mix of Thai and Sanskrit. Nong is from the Thai word for swamp, and Han means goose, and Kawampi is a Sanskrit and Hindu zodiac equivalent of Aquarius, the water bringer. This name seems fitting since this lake, its surrounding wetlands and rivers make up the most important waterways in Udon Thani province. Folklore tells of a beautiful woman named Nang Ai who was very well known, and many people of royalty wanted to marry her. Her father set up a rocket festival competition to determine who would marry her, but only her uncles won. So her father canceled the results of the competition. A complicated, jealous feud followed, which involved shape-shifting and transformations and led to one of the competitors being killed, resulting in a grand naga rising from the waters and transforming the lake into a swamp. Once we got further out into the lake, we began to see a lot of other boats. From among the lotus flowers, an island emerged. Then we went around the island and docked. The island was a temple. This is the main Buddha image of the island. Candles, incense, and spiritual emblems were on display. This is a tradition which is believed to bring good luck through placing coins in a series of small alms bowls. Most temples have a good collection of musical instruments which are played with spiritual significance. This collection of gongs is quite impressive, spanning almost half the width of the island. There are many religious images and stations around the island. There are several areas for meditation and prayer. This monk is splashing water in a group as part of a prayer and blessing. This is an image of Guan Yin, who many refer to as a Chinese angel, but originates in the Bodhisattva Avalokitesvara, who is believed to embody the compassion of all Buddhas. This temple is not complete yet, and due to a recent rise in popularity, new structures are being built. These craftsmen are making new Naga statues. On the other side of the island, which faces the direction our boat came from, there are a series of houses for the monks. Thai tradition holds that the Buddha made a trip to Thailand, and places where he is believed to have taught are marked with footprints such as this. So, Thai Buddhists believe the Buddha himself made a journey to this lake to teach on the island. We went up onto this small wooden bridge to work our way toward the other shore. We climbed the lookout tower to get a better view of the lake. From the top of the lookout, we could see how vast Red Lotus Lake really was, with only a little more than half of it viewable from here. To get the idea of how many lotuses we traveled through to get here, this is the tower that I mentioned at the beginning near our starting point. After we explored the island, we got back in our boat and started our return cruise. While some count it among the strangest lakes in the world, I thought it was one of the most beautiful lakes I've ever seen, and it was exciting to actually be able to journey through the lake. It was a truly unique experience. Far from the simple flower pond I had expected, Talay Bua Daeng was a journey across a sea of pink lotuses to an exotic island.
Okay.
Hi, this is Shaun with Cayenne Travels, and today we are at Talay Bua Daeng, the pink lotus flower lake near Udon Thani, Thailand.